Ever found yourself staring at a point-of-sale terminal, a line of impatient customers growing, and wondered, does this thing even need Wi-Fi? We live in a world of constant connectivity, but what happens when the internet goes down? Does your business grind to a halt? Especially if you're using a system like Lightspeed? That's the question we're tackling today. Lightspeed is a popular point-of-sale system used by businesses of all sizes, from small boutiques to bustling restaurants. It's known for its features, its cloud-based nature, and its sleek interface. But that cloud-based nature, that's what brings us to our core question. Does Lightspeed need Wi-Fi? The short answer, and I know you're looking for this up front, is it depends. It's not a simple yes or no. Lightspeed is designed to function primarily online. Its core functionalities, the ones that make it so powerful, rely on a stable internet connection. Think about it. Inventory management, sales tracking, customer data, reporting. All these features are typically accessed and updated in real time through the cloud. So, in its ideal state, Lightspeed thrives on a Wi-Fi connection. But what happens when that connection falters? What happens when the Wi-Fi goes down? Does your business just stop? Thankfully, no. Lightspeed offers an offline mode, a crucial feature that allows you to continue processing sales even without an internet connection. This is a lifesaver for businesses, especially those in areas with unreliable internet or during unexpected outages. So, how does this offline mode work? Essentially, when your Lightspeed system detects a loss of internet connectivity, it automatically switches to offline mode. You can still ring up sales, process payments, depending on your payment processor, and keep your business moving. The crucial thing to remember is that the data collected during offline mode isn't immediately synced with the cloud. It's stored locally on your device. Now, here's where things get interesting and where the "it depends" part of the answer comes into play. While you can process sales offline, certain functionalities are limited. For example, you might not be able to access your full inventory list, especially if you have a large and constantly changing stock. You might also have limitations with accepting certain payment types, as some payment processors require online authorization, reporting, real-time data analysis, and other cloud-dependent features are also unavailable in offline mode. The biggest catch, and this is vital, is that once your internet connection is restored, you must sync your offline data with the cloud. This is absolutely crucial. If you don't sync, the sales data you collected offline won't be reflected in your overall sales reports, your inventory won't be updated, and you'll essentially have a gap in your business records. This can lead to significant problems with accounting, inventory management, and overall business analysis. Think of it like this. Offline mode is a temporary lifeboat. Keeps you afloat during a storm, but it's not meant for long-term sailing. You need to get back online and sync your data as soon as possible to ensure the integrity of your business information. So, while Lightspeed can function without Wi-Fi, it's not ideal. It's a backup plan, a contingency for when things go wrong. Relying on offline mode for extended periods is not recommended and can lead to inaccuracies and discrepancies in your data. Now, let's talk about some practical considerations. If you're a business owner considering Lightspeed, or if you're already using it, here are some things to keep in mind regarding internet connectivity. Reliable internet is key. Invest in a stable and reliable internet connection. This is crucial for any cloud-based system, and Lightspeed is no exception. Consider having a backup internet connection like a mobile hotspot in case your primary connection goes down. This will minimize disruptions and ensure you can sync your data promptly. Understand offline limitations. Familiarize yourself with the limitations of Lightspeed's offline mode. Know what features are available and what's restricted. Train your staff on how to operate the system in offline mode and, more importantly, on the importance of syncing data when the internet is restored. Regular data backups. While Lightspeed stores data in the cloud, it's always a good idea to have your own backups. This provides an extra layer of security and ensures you can recover your data even in the unlikely event of a major system failure. Payment processing in offline mode. Check with your payment processor about their offline capabilities. Some processors might allow limited offline transactions, while others might require online authorization for every transaction. Understanding these limitations is crucial for ensuring you can still accept payments during an internet outage. Syncing is crucial. I can't stress this enough. Make syncing your offline data a priority. Develop a routine for syncing data as soon as the internet connection is restored. Don't wait, don't procrastinate. Syncing promptly will prevent data loss and ensure the accuracy of your business records. So, does Lightspeed need Wi-Fi? The answer, as we've seen, is nuanced. It functions best with a stable internet connection, and its core functionalities rely on it. Offline mode is a valuable backup, but it's not a replacement for a reliable internet connection. Think of it as an emergency parachute, not your primary mode of transportation. Ultimately, the success of your Lightspeed system, and any cloud-based POS system for that matter, hinges on the reliability of your internet connection. Invest wisely, understand the limitations of offline mode, and prioritize data syncing. These are the keys to maximizing the benefits of Lightspeed and ensuring your business runs smoothly, even when the internet decides to take a break. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.